Hi everyone, in this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 10th generation Ford F-150 pickup trucks are prone to experience. Number 1. The plastic intake manifold in trucks with V8 engines is prone to break in the area shown on the screen, causing coolant leaks. To repair this problem, it's necessary to replace the complete intake manifold assembly with a new one and install all new gaskets. Number 2. The spark plug threads in some V8 engines are prone to strip, causing the affected spark plug to be ejected while driving. The damaged threads can be repaired using a repair kit similar to the one shown on the screen. The repair consists in drilling the orifice slightly larger, tapping new threads, and installing an adapter similar to the one shown on the screen that allows the OEM-style spark plug to be used again. Number 3. The exterior paint tends to peel off over time. And in trucks that are driven in climates where it snows often, the body is prone to rust around the fenders and around the lower corners. Number 4. The blend door actuator that controls the hot and cold blend door is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing cold air to come out of the vents when the heater is on. Replacing the bad actuator with a new one solves the problem. Number 5. The ball joints, pitman arm, idler arm, tie rod ends, and control arm bushings tend to experience rapid wear, causing suspension-related noises when driving on uneven roads, alignment problems, and uneven tire wear. Replacing the worn components and realigning the truck solves the problem. Number 6. The alternator in some of these trucks is prone to develop charging problems between 150 and 180,000 miles and needs to be replaced. Number 7. The blower motor resistor in some of these trucks tends to malfunction, causing the heater blower motor to only work at high speed. Replacing the bad resistor with a new one solves the problem. Number 8. The exhaust manifolds in trucks with V8 engines that are driven in climates where it snows or it rains frequently are prone to rust over time. Replacing the OEM manifolds with stainless steel headers solves the problem while adding a better sound to the exhaust system. Number 9. The DPFE sensor is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing poor fuel economy, check engine light on constantly, and the ECM storing trouble codes related to the EGR system. Number 10. The power steering pump in some of these trucks is prone to experience premature failure, causing the steering wheel to become hard to turn, especially when driving at low speeds. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 10th generation Ford F-150 pickup trucks are prone to experience. Take care.